Welcome back to another video with Kids Art Lab. And today, what are we gonna be painting?
An orange cat.
An orange kitty cat. Yes, what do we need for that?
We're gonna be doing brown, pink, orange, black, and white.
Okay, let's start. All right, first off, our kitty cat needs a head, so let's do that right up here. And we want to leave room for the ears in the corner, so we'll start right up here in the middle.
If it didn't have a head, it would probably be a ghost kitty.
A ghost kitty. And we just want to take our time. Circles are kind of hard to draw. Excellent. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to give our kitty some ears, and those are going to be like this. And then there's going to be kind of like an inside, so we just do the same thing, just a little smaller. Okay? And then on the other side, we want to try and make these ears as similar as we can. But everybody's is going to look different. Okay.
Meow, meow,
Meow,
meow.
meow.
Roar.
Okay, now in order to make the body, it might be easier to start with the feet. So we're going to have two little feet right here. One and two. Nice. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to start over here. And then we're going to give our kitty cat a little body, and that's going to go here. And we don't want to go all the way past the feet. We want to come a little bit shorter then to give the feet like they're in front, like our kitty cat is sitting.
Meow. Roar.
And then we're going to come back up. Like that. Good. And then it wouldn't be complete without a tail, so we're going to have a tail, and you just kind of use this extra room over here. And we're just going to make kind of a curly Q. Something like that. Okay, you did it on that side. That's perfectly fine. Okay, now we want to give our kitty some stripes, so let's start up here at the head, and we're going to make a couple, basically triangles. So one, and this one might be just a little bit bigger, two, and three.
Three. Roar.
Okay. Good. And then let's do a couple over here on this side. So we'll go 1, 2, 1, 2. And let's give some kitty whiskers. So we got to go this and this. Okay, and now we need to put whiskers on the other side. So we're going to give a couple over there and a couple over there. Okay, let's do a few more stripes. So let's do a couple here and here and here, there. And how about on the other side, 2 more? And then what we could do is maybe put a couple on the tail.
Yeah.
This. And these will make a little bit more sense when we color it in, which is coming up very shortly. Awesome. Well, I think it's time that we fast forward and bring our kitty cat to life.
Roll.
All right, we are back from fast forwarding, and I think this orange cat came out great. What do you think?
Roar.
Well, what did we do with the colors? Because we did some things here.
So for the ears, we mixed some pink with the white to make it like a little lighter.
Uh-huh.
And for like the stripes, we mixed some dark brown with the white to make it a little lighter too.
Excellent. Well, what else do we have to do?
Our signature. Roar, 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 roar.
Well, we want to thank everybody for joining us again for another painting with Kids Art Lab.
I hope you had fun playing your orange kitty cat, and we hope to see you next time. Bye!
Bye for now.